Hey kids, Wolf Timber here for another episode of Urban Legends You Want Me to Bust. Today's urban legend, we have a simple and humble emergency roadside kit. Inside is nothing more than a simple air compressor. You plug it into your cigarette lighter, you air up your tires, it's got a flashlight. Handy device to have, right? Well, apparently this dude's airing up his tires. His old lady gets pissed off at him because, he was reading too loudly. She pulls out a fucking, what is it, a 458 Winchester Magnum, right? Starts shooting at the guy. Well, the guy apparently was saved when he grabbed this thing and went, ah! And the lady apparently had to have hit right here on the compressor. So we're going to find out, will an air compressor stop a 458 Winchester Magnum? We don't know.
I think he's bullshit.
We're going to set this here. Maybe. And if I don't miss, we are going to shoot the compressor. All right. Cameraman Chris is playing with the bullets. Thank you. And where am I? Well, if somebody wants to hold this, Donka. Technical difficulties, kids. Okay, so the guy's old lady shoots at him with this big, massive bolt-action rifle.
Did you miss?
I don't know. No, I hit something.
That didn't fly very hard.
Oh, that was cool. And I apparently hit the edge of the compressor.
Oh,
so
it
that
just hit
went
the
clean
plastic.
through.
Nice.
Are we going to try one more shot?
Sure.
Well, we have one bullet left.
You're just having the worst luck, man.
Well, you know what they always say, if you can't hit it, move closer. Okay, why is this not cooperating?
Because it doesn't want to die.
But it's going to. Can somebody grab this, please? Okay.
Maybe put it halfway in. I mean, you're going to break it anyways. Perfect. There you go.
Hey!
Ingenuity.
Okay, so we're going to see if we can hit this one more time.
Are you serious?
And again, I hit low.
I only have one more, man. Yeah, no.
Yeah, we're not blowing the last bullet?
No. Oh, I'm going to shoot it.
Oh.
But I'm saving this for me because I'm selfish.
Well, then you shoot the stupid thing.
All right, whatever.
Okay, so cameraman Chris is going to see if he can hit.
All right, but I need somebody to get to my camera to get like a view, I guess. See the target and me, so probably like stand right here. Is it recording still? I think it's recording. All right.
It better be recording.
Okay.
Okay, so Chris is going to try hitting the compressor. Let's see what happens.
It's amazing, that cartridge does not get very hot. Like, it's just fired, it's not
Okay,
warm.
he hit the compressor.
Oh, I hit it, yay!
Yay! He did it, he did it! So
Mommy
here
always
we
said I would be
have-
successful one day.
Oh dude, you hit the edge of the motor too.
Ooh, cool.
So we got the edge of the motor hit.
Got it.
You can see where it's... Let's do up some more of the parts here.
Hold on one second, this little stupid antenna was in the way.
Stupid antenna.
Alright.
Okay, so we got edge of the motor hit. We got here hit. Okay, I'm going to walk over to my camera.
And it went straight through, right?
Oh yeah, it went straight through. So we got, as you can see here, tore up. Here tore up. This piece is busted, so it's $30 in order to kill an air compressor. And the fact is, we still don't know, did the guy even survive?
Probably not.
I don't know, I mean, if the guy's reading too loud, he probably deserved getting shot by his old lady. So, that's today's Legends, kids. Don't hide behind these if your old lady's shooting at you with a .458 Winchester Magnum. Thank you.